Hi everyone, my name is Jen Antunes and welcome to my channel. So today I figured we could have some fun and explore with color using the Norvina Mini Palette Volume 2. I know a lot of us are still staying home and only going out unless absolutely necessary. So what I personally have been doing is taking advantage of the time staying at home and experimenting and playing with my makeup. Now, if you've seen one of my previous tutorials, you'll know I am a mostly neutral girl. But that is what is so great about makeup. You can have fun with it and step out of your comfort zone. At the end of it all, if you don't like it, you can wash it off. But you know what? What if you do like it and you find a new look that you want to rock? Now, before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell down below. And if you enjoy this video, I would greatly appreciate if you would like, comment, or share. So, the first thing we're going to do is prime. Today I'm going to be using the Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow primer. I got this in my May BoxyCharm box. If you guys want to learn a little bit more about BoxyCharm, I will link my latest unboxing up above, and I'll also have it linked in the description box down below. Now, when it comes to using an eyeshadow primer, when you are using vibrant colors, I've noticed that you want to get an eyeshadow primer that is tacky, so that way the pigment has something to hold on to. Usually vibrant colors are very loose and they tend to have a lot of fallout, and you have to pack on the color. So by having an eyeshadow primer, it's not only going to help show the pigment of the eyeshadows you're going to be using, but it's also going to help give the eyeshadow something to grip onto. So while the primer is soaking into my skin, I'm going to do my brows real quick, so I will be right back. You gotta tell me, is it just me, one eyebrow, that is not willing to work with you? There's always one. It's always one, and it's usually the same one. My eyebrows are done, and we are now ready to move on to what we are here for, which is color, thanks to Norvina. As you can see, this is a beautiful summer palette. It's got all the beautiful summer colors, and when I saw this, I was just so inspired. I love that it has a couple of the neutrals in there, so it's not too scary for us color virgins. So to go along with this palette, I actually got a couple eyeliners to go with it. Thing is, I'm not sure if I'm going to use one of them or both of them. We'll see how the look goes. So the first thing we're going to be doing is I'm going to be grabbing my Profusion blending brush. I got this brush actually from one of their eyeshadow palettes. If you don't know who Profusion is, it is a new makeup brand that is at Walmart. Well, that's at least where I found it. And they had such amazing collection of eyeshadow palettes. It was unbelievable. What's even great is that they are super affordable. And what I actually loved even more than the eyeshadow palette was their eyeshadow blending brush. This is my go-to blending brush. I use this every single day. So I am going to take A3, which is this top orange color, right corner. And I'm going to blend it into my crease area. Now, I think I have a look in mind, but I might change my mind as we go. One thing about having vibrant colors for eyeshadow is even the name brand high-end eyeshadows have fallout. See? For someone that doesn't have a lot of eyeshadow brushes, but you want to do a look like this is where something like this comes in handy. It's quick color switch dry makeup brush cleaner. And you just, and it takes the pigment off. I do have to say, with these very vibrant pigmented ones, I've noticed that you're going to have to actually clean them. But this works while you're doing your look. Just probably after you're done or before you use them again, you're going to have to get them clean. You don't need to have a bright pink or bright blue on your eyeshadow brush and then you go to the next day to apply a neutral look and you got hints of blue to it. That would not be fun. So the next thing I'm going to do, I really love this pink. The last time I experimented with this pink, it kind of stained my lid a little. Oh well. I am going to go in with my Jaclyn Hill 32 brush. It's a fluffy blending brush, just a little bit bigger than the last one I used. And I am going to go for it because we are playing with color today. So I'm going to use C1. And I'm going to blend this in, but I'm going to have it on the lower end of my crease. So I'm going to take the last brush I used. I'm going to go in with that orange again. And just kind of blend it in all together. I am loving this green right here, the C2. So I'm going to apply that on my lid. And for that I am going to use my Morphe flat blending brush. I got this with my eyeshadow brush set. I actually talk about it in my June haul. I'm going to do from the center and then outer. And what I'm doing is I'm tapping it right onto my lid. Definitely want to make sure you tap off the excess with the shimmers on this. You can see I got a couple shimmers on my face. That is why I do my eye makeup first, especially with looks like this. I know they have stuff out there to help you that you can like put underneath your eye. I actually got the e.l.f. ones. But that's more to help with like getting that boxy eye type of look. But I did see when I went to Sephora today to get this palette, I did see that they had like little gel ones that you could put underneath your eye. And that's supposed to help catch all the fallout. I looked at it and I was tempted to get it, but I'm like, I didn't think it was worth the $12. I'll just do my eye look first, like I always do. Okay, I'm going to go in with a small rounded dome. This is another brush from the Morphe I got this brush set. I'm not sure if I want to go into the green or the brown. I think I'm going with C3. I'm just going to use this to kind of darken up the outer corner a little. Much better. I'm going to grab that first brush again. I'm just going to blend it all together. Blend in, blend in, blend. And I'm going to carry it out a little bit. So for the inner corner, I'm going to use this middle shade, which is B2. I'm going to use the Jaclyn Hill 42 brush. This comes with her eye brush set that I spoke about in my last haul video. It is just a very, very tiny flat brush. Tap it from the inner corner to the green. I'm going to take my green one, just kind of go over, make sure everything is looking good. I even went in the outer where we put the brown, dark brown, but I'm noticing get more color payout and shine when you just slide it right on. Okay, now eyeliner. I think I'm going to use the pink for the top, and what I am using is the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Woodstock. Just going to put it right on right above my lash line. I don't want it super thick, but I want it thick enough to be able to see when I open my eyes. What I do to put eyeliner on, especially so close to the eyelash, is I just do little strokes. And then once I get to like right around here, I open my eye so I can get the color in the corner, because the way my eye is shaped, if I do it like this, like it's gone. It's not, I can't see it, so I have to actually open my eye to get the color there. Now I'm going to take my JH30, which is just a humongous blending brush, and I'm just going to make sure everything is blended out. Now with a look like this, we're definitely going to have to apply some color to the bottom lash line. So I'm going to put on the rest of my face real quick. Then we will work on the lower lashes. Okay, got my face makeup on. Now on to our lower lash line. So I'm going to take my JH40, it's a pointed domed blending brush. What I love about this is it's perfect in getting underneath the lower lash line. Until I had this brush, I struggled with finding a brush that would blend eyeshadow close to the lash line without it coming down into my cheek area. So I don't want it down there. I want it like just a little touch of color. Right, so I am going to take this top green color, which is A2. Now I'm going to take the first brush we used, but I'm not going to add any color to it. And I'm just going to kind of make sure it's all blended out. For the lower lash, I decided I'm going to use my yellow eyeliner, which is LA Girl Shockwave Neon Eyeliner in GP 737 Screamin'. And for mascara today, I'm going to be using the Lily Lashes Triple X Mascara. Need a little sparkle or something in here. So I can use my highlighter palette I used today, Zoeva. Just a lighter color. Perfecto. Now onto the lip. So for my lip, I'm going to use the Too Faced Melted Matte in Bottomless. I personally prefer liquid lipsticks, especially matte ones. To lighten it up a little bit, I'm going to use my Avon True Color Lip Glow lip gloss, and I'm just going to focus this on the center. Alright, so we are going to rinse ourselves, and today I'm going to be using the Believe BDL Aqua Bomb Glow Moist Fix and Mist. We are done. This is my final look. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, because that lets me know that you like these type of videos. Now, I hope I inspired you to play with color and to experiment. If you did get inspired today, I would love to see what you guys do. So, just hop over to Instagram and tag me, and I would love to see what amazing looks you guys come up with. And before you leave, make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell down below so you don't miss out on my upcoming videos. And trust me, I have some more fun videos planned this month. I am so excited to share them with you. I hope you have a wonderful day, and until next time, remember, be kind to yourself and to others. Bye!